Well, ho-ho, I observed your wishes for secrecy, but now is the time.
Gentlemen, imagine the perfect mixture of athletics, spectacle, and speed. Jai-Alai.
Jai-Alai is like handball, only you fling the ball and catch the ball with this, basket thing.
It's more complicated than that. And dangerous. I'll leave the loose leaf, but it shows the way Jai-Alai attendance is growing. In 7 years, it'll eclipse baseball. Go ahead, you can laugh. But it's got the same fingerprint as baseball, only better. A special stadium called a fronton. And you can sit real close, which is a thrill because the ball goes 175 miles an hour. And it's got Patchy. He's Babe Ruth, only handsome. This is Patchy. I was looking for boxers, but I bought his contract instead. He's the greatest player in the world.
Mel Ferrer.
I'm terrified of him catching balls in the face. So, let's say there's enough money. How would you chop it up?
Well, most of it's going to end up in television.
Perfect, because I want a TV show.
A sports show.
Did you see Patchy? You don't see him flying around the world, solving crimes and banging broads?
Well,
You following me?
I spent 2 years at Dartmouth hiding him from Shylocks. Let me enjoy my payday.
Mr. Hooker, Lane stopped by the clubhouse?
I'll go and get him.
That's called a cesta. It's made of reeds from the Pyrenees.
The ball is called a pelota. They just sent all this over. So did Horace have any more ideas?
For one thing, he wants us to call it the NJAA.
National Jai-Alai Association?
He has no idea how confused America's going to be about that J.
Look at this camaraderie. Perhaps we've discovered America's pastime after all.
Full steam ahead.
Bravo, boys.
How about Patchy, the motion picture?
God, I wish I was a part of this.
I've informed the Home Office. There was a flutter of adding machines.
Well, you heard him, boys. Don't stop until you see the whites of his pockets. Cosgrove.
Oh, good God.
Bill it to the kid.